Hello, welcome back to Silvertongue English Class. How have you been? I'd love to hear your response in the comment section, and if you may ask, have been doing great. Did you hear that sound? What sound do you think that is? That's the sound of a bell. Sound, according to Cambridge Dictionary, refers to something that you can hear or something that can be heard. But our focus today is on the English sound system. The English sound system, also known as phonology, refers to the set of 44 sounds that make up the language. These unique sounds that are represented by the 26 letters of the English alphabet are the building blocks of speech, and they are categorized into two. Number one, the consonant sounds. The consonant sounds. These are sounds made by restricting or blocking the airflow in some way. They can be voiced or voiceless. Number two, the vowel sounds. The vowel sounds. These are sounds made without blocking or restricting the airflow, and the shape of the mouth and tongue affects the sound. They can be long, short, or double. Here is the International Phonetic Alphabet, the IPA chart. The IPA chart has all the 44 sounds in the English sound system. Let's explore it. In the first segment of the chart, we have the monophthongs. Monophthongs, also known as pure vowels, are single quality sounds. The first sound there is E. E. E is a long vowel sound. Word example, we have sheep. E. Sheep. Second sound is a short vowel. I. I. Ship. I. Ship. The third sound is a short vowel. O. O. Good. O. Good. O. Good. The fourth is a long vowel. Ooh. Ooh. Shoot. Shoot. Ooh. Shoot. Next is a short vowel. Eh. Eh. Bed. Eh. Bed. Next is a sure sound. Your jaw is relaxed when you're making the sure sound. Teacher. Teacher. We have the long vowel bird. Bird. Next is the long vowel or. Or. Your mouth position looks like the sound. Or. Door. We have the short vowel a. A. Cat. A. Cat. Next is the short vowel up. 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 Next is the long vowel on. On. Fall. Fall. And finally, under monophthongs, we have the short vowel o. On. O. On. On the other segment of the first part of the IPA chart, We have diphthongs. Diphthongs or double vowels are sounds that have two monophthongs in them, and that's why we call them double vowels. The first here is ear, ear, here, ear, here. Next is a, wait, wait. Next we have over, over, tourist, tourist. Next we have oi, oi, boy. Note that in making diphthongs you would have to glide from the first sound to the second. Oi, boy. We have o, o, show, show. Next is air, air, hair. We have I, my. And finally, on diphthongs, we have ow, ow, cow, cow. The second segment of the IPA chart consists of the consonants. First consonant is sound for letter P, 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 B, 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 boat, boat, tea, tea, d, d, dog, dog, ch, 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 cheese, cheese, j, j, June, June, calm, calm, g, g, go, go, fly, fly, van, van, think, think, the, this, this, see, see, z, z, zoo, zoo, sh, shall, shall, z, z, vision, vision, mm, mm, man, man, mm, mm, now, now, mm, mm, sing, sing, how, how, l, l, love, love, er, er, red, red, w, w, wet, wet. And we have y, y, yeah, yeah. Together, these sounds form words, sentences, and the speech patterns of English. Understanding these sounds and how they are produced is essential for improving your English pronunciation. In the next video, we'll explore the differences between sounds and letters. See you later. Remember to follow, subscribe, and share. Thank you.